In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eBay app. We'll use a simple built-in option in your web browser on Windows 11 to install eBay, so it runs like a standalone app with its own window and taskbar icon. This is quick, safe, and doesn't require any extra downloads beyond your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 PC. This process works well in modern browsers like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. If your browser is up to date, you'll see the option we need in the menu. If not, don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to look. Next, in the search bar, type eBay and press Enter. You're looking for the official eBay website in the search results. Click the result that takes you to the legitimate site. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar, and make sure the URL clearly matches eBay's official domain. Avoid sponsored ads that might look similar. With the official eBay site open, go to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu. You'll notice grouped sections inside it. Take your time so you don't miss the right option. Hover your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. In many browsers, this section gathers features like sharing, saving, and installing sites as apps. When you hover there, a submenu will appear. You should see an option that says Install as App. If labels vary slightly in your browser, you're still looking for the install option that turns the current site into an app-like experience. Click Install as App. A small confirmation window will pop up showing the app name, which should be eBay. This is your chance to confirm you're installing the correct site. Click Install to confirm. The browser will create the app and open eBay in its own dedicated window with cleaner controls and no standard browser tabs. Windows 11 will also add a shortcut to your Start menu, and in many cases to your desktop, so you can launch eBay just like any other app. You'll still sign in and use your account inside the app window exactly as you would on the website. That's it. You've installed the eBay app experience on Windows 11 using your browser. Now you can open it directly from your Start menu, pin it to the taskbar if you like, and enjoy a focused, app-like interface for browsing, buying, and tracking your orders. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new eBay app.